And now we want to do the final stuff. We want to update something. When we have here Chevy and it's written wrong, then we want to say, okay, here I have a new entry for there, something is mistyped. So we stop it there. And again we do this, we go to the update button and we say there at the click events, click, double click, then we get this new code automatically, and we go to the buttons sections and we say update that entry entry in database. So I describe it very very complete in that point. And now we create a new block which runs exactly like deleting or adding something, and we say this new block is called update entry database. I copied it and so I said, okay, now this is my stuff, like a deletion, and I have to look it up again. Update, we need now a little bit new stuff. I explain it after this. We say first, when we click on our list, we want that we want the actual item of which is selected, and from there we need the ID of that row, and we want that this text in the table table cars, where the column car is updated. So this is our text box. Input text should be overridden, and now be careful that we write there, if we say for example BMW ABC, then there should be these apostrophes around the string. So if it's a string inside a string, we need this special type, and we say okay, and do it only there where the car itself has the ID of car or something bigger or something else. If you forget this point, then you will get into big trouble, because the complete database will be overridden there, not the database but the table. And then we say again, do this point into the run it inside the command. So when we do this now, when we are there and type something in here, so for example Daimler 1 2 3 4, something like this, and we update it, then it's overwritten. What we do now finally as a last stuff is we go there in the list and we want to keep those fields synchronized. So we say if the index here changed like this, then we want that that table there is updated. So we say give me the actual row of the selected item. If we type on something on the list, give me the car, the strings which are the text which is visible there, and write it straight into the text box text. So this happens if we selected if the selected entry changes. So when I click there now, when I click there, it gets that row text and it writes the text straight into this field. And so we are happy now at that point, and we say if I type something there and take write update, then it takes that stuff and writes it into the database, and finally the database will be reloaded.